guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to repost someone's status on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, you'll need to make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. For that, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now here's the key point. You can only repost someone's status if you are mentioned. So if someone tags you in their status, you'll see that mention. Tap on the chat where you are mentioned. Then tap on the mention notification. You'll see the option add to status. Simply click on it. WhatsApp will now prepare the repost. At the bottom left, you'll see it ready to be added to your own status. You can adjust the size or make edits if needed. Finally, tap send and the status will be posted to your profile for all your contacts to see. And that's it, you have successfully reposted someone else's status on WhatsApp. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.